Nestled on the western bank of the mighty Indus River, Sukkar is a vibrant city in the Sindh province of Pakistan. It is a place where tradition meets modernity, creating a unique blend of old and new. Known for its rich history, bustling markets and warm hospitality, Sukkar holds a special place in the heart of Sindh. The city is a living museum of cultural heritage and traditions. What truly sets Sukkar apart, however, is its remarkable natural beauty and ecological significance. From the majestic Indus River to the serene Sard Belo Island, Sukkar offers a glimpse into the remarkable biodiversity of the region. The area is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. Sukkar's strategic location along the Indus River has shaped its destiny for centuries. As a major crossing point on the river, Sukkar has been a witness to the ebb and flow of civilizations. Its ancient ruins and historical sites tell stories of a bygone era. The city's history is intertwined with the Indus, which has served as a source of life, a means of transportation, and a source of inspiration for its people. Today, Sukkar stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of man and nature. The city is surrounded by vast deserts, rolling hills, and lush green fields. This unique blend of ecosystems creates a rich tapestry of life, supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. The natural habitats around Sukkar are a sanctuary for many species. Join us as we explore the natural beauty and cultural richness of this extraordinary city. Discover the hidden gems and timeless charm of Sukkar. Sukkar experiences a hot desert climate characterized by scorching summers and mild winters. The city's location in a desert region results in low annual rainfall and high temperatures. Summers in Sukkar are particularly intense, with temperatures frequently soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. Winters in Sukkar, on the other hand, are mild and pleasant, offering a welcome respite from the scorching summer heat. Temperatures during the winter months typically range from 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. The Indus River plays a crucial role in moderating Sukkar's climate. The river's presence helps to mitigate the extreme temperatures, creating a slightly more humid environment in its vicinity. Despite its harsh desert climate, Sukkar is a city that thrives. The Indus River, often referred to as the lifeline of Pakistan, flows majestically through the heart of Sukkar, shaping the city's landscape, culture, and economy. This mighty river is not just a geographical feature, it is the lifeblood of the region, sustaining its people, agriculture, and wildlife. For centuries, the Indus has served as a vital waterway for transportation and trade. Its waters have carried goods, people, and ideas, connecting Sukkar to the wider world. The city's history is intertwined with the river, as evidenced by the numerous ancient settlements and historical landmarks that dot its banks. Beyond its economic and historical significance, the Indus River also plays a crucial role in supporting Sukkar's ecology. The river's freshwater ecosystem provides a habitat for a diverse array of aquatic life, including fish, turtles, and dolphins. The Indus River is more than just a body of water. It is the very essence of Sukkar. Sukkar is blessed with a unique combination of natural attractions that captivate visitors with their scenic beauty and ecological significance. Among these, the Sukkar Barrage, Sard Belo Island, and the nearby Lake Manchar stand out as must-visit destinations. The Sukkar Barrage, an engineering marvel completed in 1932, is a sight to behold. This massive irrigation system spans the Indus River, regulating its flow and providing water for millions of acres of farmland in the surrounding areas. Sard Belo Island, located in the middle of the Indus River, is a place of peace and tranquility. This small island is home to an ancient Hindu temple complex, believed to be over 800 years old. Lake Manchar, located about 50 kilometers south of Sukkar, is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Pakistan. This shallow lake is a haven for migratory birds, attracting thousands of species from all over the world. These natural wonders add to the allure of Sukkar as a destination that seamlessly blends nature, culture, and history. Sukkar's unique location at the edge of the Thar Desert and the fertile Indus River Valley creates a fascinating blend of ecosystems, supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. The city's natural landscape is a testament to the resilience of life in the face of challenging environmental conditions. The desert areas surrounding Sukkar are home to a variety of drought-resistant plants, including thorny shrubs, hardy grasses, and the iconic date palm trees. These plants have adapted to survive in the harsh desert environment, withstanding extreme temperatures and scarce rainfall. Along the banks of the Indus River, the landscape transforms into a lush green oasis thanks to the river's life-giving waters. Here, irrigated fields burst with crops such as cotton, wheat, rice and sugarcane, supporting Sukkur's agricultural economy. The desert areas are home to creatures such as desert foxes, jackals, and various species of reptiles, while the Indus River and its surrounding wetlands attract a plethora of bird life. This tapestry of life is a testament to the wonders of Sukkur's natural world. The interplay between the arid desert and the fertile river valley creates a unique environment where life thrives against all odds. This delicate balance showcases the incredible adaptability of nature, making Sukkur a remarkable example of ecological diversity and resilience. Sukkur's natural beauty is further enhanced by its rich cultural heritage, evident in its numerous historical landmarks that dot its landscape. These ancient structures stand as silent witnesses to the city's glorious past, each with a story to tell. The Rohi Mountains, located on the outskirts of Sukkur, are steeped in legend and folklore. These ancient hills are believed to have been a refuge for Sufi saints and hermits who sought solace and spiritual enlightenment in their secluded caves and valleys. Sukkur Fort, also known as Masani Fort, is a testament to the city's strategic importance in bygone eras. Perched atop a hill overlooking the Indus River, the fort dates back to the 14th century and offers panoramic views of the city and its surroundings. The Sakhi Sarwar Shrine, located about 40 kilometers from Sukkur, is a revered pilgrimage site for both Muslims and Hindus. These cultural landmarks create a unique tapestry of history, spirituality and natural beauty. The Indus River is the lifeline of Sukkur's agricultural economy, transforming the arid landscape into fertile fields that yield a bounty of crops and fruits. The river's waters, harnessed through an intricate network of canals and irrigation channels, breathe life into the land, supporting the livelihoods of millions. Cotton, known as white gold, is one of the most important cash crops grown in the Sukkur region. Wheat, a staple food crop, flourishes in the winter months thanks to the cool climate and irrigation from the Indus. Sukkur also produces significant quantities of rice, sugarcane and a variety of fruits, including mangoes, dates and watermelons. The agricultural abundance of Sukkur is a testament to the ingenuity of its people. While Sukkur's natural beauty and agricultural abundance are undeniable, the region also faces significant environmental challenges that require attention and sustainable solutions. Climate change, water scarcity, and pollution are among the pressing issues that threaten the delicate balance of Sukkur's ecosystem. The impacts of climate change are already being felt in Sukkur, with rising temperatures, more frequent droughts, and unpredictable rainfall patterns affecting agriculture and water resources. The Indus River, the lifeline of the region, is facing reduced water flow due to melting glaciers and increased upstream water withdrawals. Pollution from industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage poses a significant threat to the water quality of the Indus River and its surrounding ecosystems. Sukkur is actively engaged in efforts to address these environmental challenges and promote sustainability. Water conservation measures, such as improving irrigation efficiency and promoting drought-resistant crops, are being implemented to address water scarcity. The future of Sukkur's natural beauty and ecological integrity depends on the collective efforts of its people, government and civil society. Sukkur stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and culture. This city, nestled in the heart of Sindh, is a living example of how human civilization can thrive alongside natural wonders. From the majestic Indus River, which sustains its people and nurtures its biodiversity, to the daily lives of those who depend on its waters, to its ancient landmarks that whisper tales of bygone eras, Sukkur is a city where history is etched into every stone and monument. Sukkur offers a unique blend of natural beauty and rich heritage, creating a tapestry of experiences for all who visit. The city's natural attractions, including the Sukkur Barrage, Sadbello Island and Lake Manchar, are not just scenic spots but vital parts of the region's ecosystem. These sites captivate visitors with their scenic beauty and ecological significance, offering a glimpse into the delicate balance of nature. Sukkur's diverse flora and fauna, adapted to the challenges of its arid and riverine ecosystems, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. These resilient species showcase the remarkable ability of nature to thrive even in challenging environments. As Sukkur navigates the challenges of the 21st century, it is crucial to balance development with conservation. It is imperative that the city's natural heritage remains at the forefront of development decisions, ensuring that progress does not come at the cost of nature. By embracing sustainable practices, conserving its precious water resources, and protecting its biodiversity, Sukkar can set an example for other cities. Sukkar can ensure that its unique blend of nature and culture continues to thrive for generations to come, preserving its legacy. Sukkar is a city that invites exploration and contemplation, offering countless opportunities for discovery and reflection. A journey to Sukkar is a journey to the heart of Sindh, a land where the past and present intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. This confluence of history, culture, and nature makes Sukkar a truly unique destination, one that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit.